Looking for a reliable tool set that covers all your basic home repair needs? The 128-piece tool set offers high-quality steel tools finished with heat-treated chrome, giving you strength, durability, and resistance to rust. It's built to last through countless projects around the house. This comprehensive set includes everything from a claw hammer and precision screwdrivers to cutting pliers, an adjustable wrench, a tape measure, and even a dual-head mini ratchet screwdriver. Plus, it comes with a variety of sockets and driver bits to handle a wide range of tasks. Whether you're fixing a leaky water pipe, sprucing up your garden, working on outdoor fittings, or doing car maintenance, this tool set has you covered. Its versatility makes it an excellent choice for small repairs and DIY projects, no matter where you need it. All the tools come neatly organized in a blow-molded storage toolbox. The compact interior design keeps every piece securely in place, so you won't waste time hunting for the right tool. It's easy to carry and store, making your repair jobs more efficient. Users across the United States praise this kit as a perfect starter set. One satisfied buyer shared how it was ideal for their son's first condo, covering all the essential fixes without the hassle or cost of bigger home improvement stores. What you get is a balanced mix of quality and convenience, ready to handle those everyday fixes that pop up unexpectedly. The price point is competitive, making it a smart investment for anyone wanting dependable tools without overspending. If you're setting up your first toolkit or looking to upgrade your current one, this 128-piece set is worth a look. It offers practical tools, solid construction, and a user-friendly storage solution, all in one package. Try it when you're ready to take control of your home repairs with confidence. Having the right tools on hand changes everything, making small projects easier and more satisfying.